is being used on the front lines of medicine to quickly identify the viruses and bacteria that can make us sick. Just think about the difference this makes. To detect a dangerous drug-resistant bacteria like MRSA, it traditionally takes 2 whole days of growing cultures in a lab. But with a CRISPR-based test, you can get a result in less than an hour. Now, if you're in an intensive care unit, that time you save isn't just a small thing. It lets doctors make the right life-saving decision right away. And the problem of drug resistance, it's just huge. Every year, more than 1 million people die because the usual antibiotics just don't work anymore. This is where fast, accurate tests are so important. They can tell doctors exactly what bacteria they're up against and which drugs will actually work, which helps us stop overusing the antibiotics that create this resistance in the first place. And this technology isn't just fast, its precision is absolutely stunning. It was used to detect SARS-CoV-2 in about an hour. For HIV, it's able to diagnose newborn babies, which is often very difficult with other tests. It can even tell the difference between flu A, flu B, and COVID-19 all in a single test. And get this, it can distinguish between very similar viruses like Zika and dengue, and even tell you if a Zika strain came from Africa or from the Americas. That level of detail is a true game changer for global health. Now let's look at the timeline for tuberculosis. A traditional lab culture can take up to 2 months to confirm a diagnosis. And all that time, a patient might be on the wrong treatment, and the disease could be spreading to other people. A CRISPR test can identify TB and even figure out its drug resistance profile in just 2 hours from the very same sample. It means getting the right medicine to the right person almost immediately. So we see this tool can find threats from the outside. But what about diseases that start inside our own bodies? Well, CRISPR diagnostics are also helping us to read our own genetic code, searching for the very earliest signs of cancer and other inherited diseases. This is where the idea of a liquid biopsy really comes to life. You see, cancer cells can shed tiny little fragments of their mutated DNA into our bloodstream. A CRISPR test is so incredibly sensitive that it can find a single one of those fragments among thousands and thousands of healthy ones. And it can do all of this from a simple blood draw. It's a non-invasive way to find and keep track of cancer. This level of precision is so important. Let's take cervical cancer, for instance. We know that 2 specific strains of the HPV virus, number 16 and 18, cause about 70% of all cases. A CRISPR test can instantly tell the difference between these high-risk strains and other, less dangerous ones. This lets doctors better understand a patient's risk and give them more personalized care. And, this isn't just about finding a disease. It's about personalizing the treatment. For lung cancer, finding a specific mutation can tell a doctor exactly which therapy to use. For colorectal cancer, another mutation can predict that a certain drug won't work, which saves a patient from going through unnecessary side effects. And for diseases like pancreatic cancer, this technology gives us new hope for early screening when treatment has the best chance of working. This technology also brings so much new hope for the youngest patients. Just a tiny drop of blood taken from a newborn baby's heel can be used to screen for serious genetic conditions. By diagnosing diseases like sickle cell or spinal muscular atrophy before symptoms even start to show, we can begin treatments early on when they have the best chance to truly change the course of a child's life. But the uses for this technology don't stop at the hospital or the clinic. It's also becoming a really powerful tool for protecting our food supply and for monitoring the health of our entire planet. The versatility here is just remarkable. For food safety, it can spot the specific genes for toxins in E. coli in 1 hour, instead of waiting 5 days for a lab result. In agriculture, it can be used right there in the field to find the bacteria that causes a devastating citrus tree disease. It can even monitor wastewater for viruses like SARS-CoV-2, which can give a whole community an early warning that an outbreak is coming.